Hello student, today I will teach to you the next chapter is the metallurgy. You know that the elements are classified into three groups: metal, non-metal and metalloids. This classification is depends upon its physical and chemical properties. In this chapter, we will take the more information about the metal and non-metal. The first point in the chapter is the physical properties of metals. You tell me the examples of metals. The first best example: gold, silver, iron, sodium, potassium. Is it not? These metals or all these metals are occur in which state? At room temperature, solid in state. The first property, metals are solid in state at a room temperature except mercury and gallium. The mercury and galliums are occur in a liquid state at a room temperature. Remember the important point. Mercury and galliums are liquid in state. Second point, metals are hard in nature. Metals are hard except again the first group element like lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. These metals are soft in nature. Due to the soft natures, these metals are cut with the help of knife. I understand. Second property. Next property, metals are, they have high melting point and boiling point. You know that metals are hard in nature. Why they are hard? Because metals contain the metallic bond. Metallic bond is a very strong bond, and in the metals the atoms is arranged in definite pattern, three dimensionally. Due to the hard nature and definite arrangements, the metals have a high melting point and boiling point. The tungsten have a highest melting point is the 3422 degrees Celsius. Highest melting point of tungsten is the 3422 degrees Celsius. Next, fourth property, the metals have a luster. They have a luster. Luster means shining. Except again, this soft metal do not have a more lusters. If you cut any surface of metals at first time, this freshly cut surface shows the more shining. But after few days, this surface do not shows the shining. Why? When you cut the freshly, when you cut the any metals, these freshly cut layers have a more shiny. But after few days, this surface shows the less luster, less shining, because this surface of metal is react with oxygen or other gases in the present atmosphere, and to produce its oxide. It means that the oxides of metal is form a layer on the surface of metal and decrease the shining. I understand. Question may be asked again, why the metal shows the luster or shining? Then give the scientific reason. Consider this is the surface of metals. This is the plate of metal is taken. You remember these metals have free electrons. These free electrons move randomly, non-directional. You remember metals have a free electrons or free valence electron. When any ray of light a ray of light is falls on the surface of metals. This is the light rays. When the ray of light is falls on the surface of metal, then the energy is absorbed from the ray of light, and the absorbed energy fastly emit in the form of a radiation. These radiate rays fall on our eyes and shows the shining or luster. Why this shows the lusters? Due to presence of free electron, the free electron absorbs the energy from this light and goes in excited state and emit the absorbed energy in the form of radiation. This property is called as lusters, or due to this reason metal shows the luster property. Next, fifth property, they have, or metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Again, question may be asked, give the scientific reason why metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Again, remember one important point, metals have which electron? Free electron. When you apply the electric current, to the metal, then the electricity conduct this free electron and they move from negative terminal to positive terminal in one directions. Due to presence of these free electrons, metals are good conductor of electricity. Or if you heat the one end of metals, then again this free electron present in the metals absorb the energy from this heat and they move from hot end to cold end. Again, how to write this answer? Why the metals are good conductor of heat? Due to presence of free electrons, when you heat the one end of metals, the energy absorbed from this heat and they move from hot end to cold end. Due to this reason, they are acts as a good conductor of electricity or heats. Next, sixth property, the metals have a malleable and ductile. Metals are malleable and ductile. Metals have a malleability and ductility property. What is the malleable and ductile property? Malleable means when you hammer on the surface of metal and to produce a thin sheet, the property is called as the malleability. And what is the ductility? When you stress is applied to these metal and to form a thin wires, the property is called as the ductility. Why they are malleable and ductility property observed in the metals? Again, you remember metals, in the metals, the atoms or ions are arranged in definite pattern three-dimensionally. The metal layer is arranged in three-dimensionally. When you hammer on the surface of metal, then the layers is slip from to each other and to produce a thin sheet. Due to this reason, they show the malleability and ductility property. Next property, metals are sonorous. They have a sonorous property. Metals they have sonorous property. What is the sonorous metal or sonorous property? When the rod of metal or plate of metal hammer or strike on the hard surface to produce a sound, the property is called as the sonorous property or sonority, and metal is called as the sonorous metal. The property called as sonority. Sonority means metal is produces sound. The property called as the sonority property, and such metals are called the sonorous metals. This is the physical properties of metals. Question may be asked, write any 4 properties of metals or give scientific reason why the metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, why the metals are malleable and ductiles. Next, why the metals have a high melting point and boiling point. or give scientific reason, metals have a lusters or shine. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you.